Hi guys, my name is Daniel. I'm a computer science student from Salvador, Bahia, Brazil. And today I'm going to show you guys my project 1 wiki solution for the CS50 web course of Harvard. And yes, that's it. First things first, I'm going to show you guys my entry page. Then when you come here and type wiki/CSS, that is an entry that already exists. We're going to be redirected to the CSS page that also works with the other entries such as Django, as you can see here. It was also required to show an error page if the entry that you put here didn't exist. So when you put blah, for example, we're gonna be redirected to this error page, so everything working properly. So next we need to see our index page. That's this one. And in the index page, every single one of the entries should redirect our user to that entry page. So when we click on CSS, for example, we're going to be redirected to the CSS page. If you click on Django, we're going to go to the Django page, the Git page. So yeah, everything working properly that wise as well. So then we have the next thing, that's the search bar. If we search nothing, we're gonna be redirected to this page, error, page not found. Secondly, if our query doesn't match as exactly one of those, so for example, if we type T, that's present on Git and Python, we're gonna have as search results Git and Python. So because those are substrings, so everything working properly here as well. And alright, and then if we type a query that's exactly the same thing as one of those entries, such as CSS, then we're gonna go to the CSS page, so everything working properly as well on this part. So yeah, that's the search. Then new page, create new page. If we enter a title that already exists, such as, I don't know, CSS, and try to save, we're going to be presented on this error page. That's error page already exists. If we also try to create a new page without a title, we're going to go to this error page, that's error, no title provided. But yeah, let's try to create a page that haven't been created yet. So if you come here and put object-oriented programming, and I'm gonna just put this text that I've separated previously. This text is in Markdown language, and if we click here and try to save, we're gonna be redirected to the new page, object-oriented programming, the new entry. And yeah, that's the page. If we go also to home, we're going to see that the object-oriented entry page is already here. If we click, it works, so everything working properly in this wise. So yeah, that's it. Okay, now we need to test the edit page. If we go to object-oriented programming, for example, and come here and put some markdown for H2, which is, I don't know, edit it, and then save, we're gonna see that our page will be edited, and we also are gonna be redirected to the new page. So as you guys can see, it's edited. If we come home and click on object-oriented programming, it's also saved. So yeah, everything working properly as well. And yes, that's the edit part of my project. Now we have the random page part. If we click here and go to, we're going to be redirected to one of those. So random page, Django, random page, CSS, random page, Django, random page, object-oriented programming. So yeah, everything working properly here as well. And also my Markdown to HTML conversion is working, as you guys could see on the object-oriented programming part. So yeah, that's my project 1 of CS50 web course. I'm really enjoying to take this course, and I hope I evolve more and more throughout this course.